So we've taken the rear plate off, now we're just gonna pull out the rotor now. So what I'm gonna do, I've found a little technique to it. You just lift it up a little bit and then wrap the water jacket seals around it, just so that all the apex seals and such, which are spring loaded, won't fucking fly out everywhere. Alright, so I've got the I think it's the water jacket seal, and I've just overlaid it, and I'm gonna slightly lift up the fucking rotor here and wrap this around it, so that when we fully take— Hello darkness, my old friend. Shit, that— fuck, what do I do now? So that's just made it a little bit harder, but oh well. Okay, now it's time to take this housing off. Nice and easy. There we go. Easy. Not really. So we'll try to do that technique again. Hopefully it works this time. Can hear something falling off. There we go. Shit. Managed to do it this time. We're losing some corner seals. That's all good. So all taken apart, this is what we're looking like. Here's our eccentric shaft here. This is our front rotor, and I've got all the apex seals and springs just scattered around it, just where they went originally. Along here are our what are they called again? Side seals, and then we have our corner seals here. They are two-piece seals. I think it's the OEM ones where they have the rubber piece in the middle. I'm not sure on the technical terms. And then here's our oil rings. And then this is our rear rotor. And yeah, same again.